How much should it cost to change your light fitting? Now, you might think it's easier to do it yourself, and if you are confident and competent in doing that, then go for it. But there are some hazards which I've already mentioned on another video that you really do need to look out. And there's some common hazards that, even though it looks easy, these things happen a lot. So if it comes to you deciding to let someone else do it and save yourself the time and grief of doing it, someone who's done it for years and can do it in no time at all, you're better off actually getting a few done together if you want to get value. Because if someone is coming out for just one light fitting, then they have to factor in the travel charge and that sort of thing. So there'll be a minimum charge to do just one. However, if you get 2, 3 or more done at the same time, or you've got other things like sockets to replace and things like that, then you're going to save money because they're already there, they've already done the traveling, and so additional parts are going to be more economical. Hope that helps.